Hi friends, I Mathematician Vitthal Jadhav welcome all of you to the Visual Suksya. Today we are going to solve one problem related to the logarithm or related to the power of the number. So let us understand what is the problem. So basic problem is 5 raised to a plus 5 raised to a equal to 200. This is our problems and we have to figure out the value of a, that is a is what. So basically we have to figure out the value of a. So friends, let us start solving this problem. Five raised to a plus 5 raised to a. 5 raised to a and 5 raised to a are same, so we can write a plus a as 2a or m plus m as 2m. Similarly we can write it as 2 into 5 raised to a equal to 200. Now basic law of equation, we can divide both sides by same number, so let us divide by 2. Non-zero number we can always divide, so left side is divided by 2, so it becomes 5 raised to a and 200 divided by 2, which comes as 100 friends. Now 5 raised to a equal to 100. Now if we basically figure out the a, so 5 to the square, 5 raised to 2 is 25, 5 raised to 3 is 25 into 5 125. So 5 raised to 2 and 5 raised to 3, in between 100 is between 5 raised to 2 and 5 raised to 3. So basically, so what is the value of a? A should be between 2 and 3. So basically we can estimate the value of a. So a should be 2 and 3, and we can also estimate that a. So friends, now so basically 5 raised to a equal to 100. Now we have to figure out the value of a. So we will take logarithm of log to the base 5 on both sides, friends. 5 raised to a equal to log of 100 to the base 5. So log of a raised to m to the base a can be written as m into log of m. So this becomes a into log of 5 to the base 5, that is nothing but 1. So basically this is the, if you try to recall the laws of logarithm. So laws of, according to laws of logarithm, log of b raised to m to the base b is nothing but, friends, m. So this is the basic laws of logarithm. So I use laws of logarithm, so this becomes a. And similarly we can write 100 as log of 100 divided by log of 5. So log of 100 means we can consider base as 10 by default. So log of 100 can be written as 10 log of 10 raised to 2. So a becomes, log of 100 can be written as 10 square to the base 10, and in denominator we can see what is denominator, log of 5. Log of 5 can be again written as log 10 divided by 2 to the base 10. So friends, this becomes, basically this becomes as 2, and this becomes as, according to laws of logarithm, friends, denominator can be written as log of a to the a divided by b can be written as log of a minus log of b. So denominator can be written as log of 10 minus log of 2. So log of 10 is nothing but 1 because base is 10. So ultimately it becomes a equal to 2 divided by log of 10 minus log of 2 because 10 by 2 log of 10 minus log of 2. So log of 10 to the base 10 is nothing but 1. So 2 minus 1 and log of 2 is nothing but 0.3 friends. So basically this become approximately 0.7. So 2 by 0.7. So 2 divided by 0.7 is our answer. So a equal to 2 divided by 0.7. Exact value is 7030 something like this. So 20 divided by 7 approximately value. So this becomes 2.60 divided by 7 is nothing but 40 divided by 7 is nothing but this. So 2.85 friends. So our final answer is nothing but a equal to 2.85. Finally our answer becomes a equal to 2.85711428. This is our answer. So in short, in order to solve the problem related to indices, problem involving such exponent, so 5 raised to a plus 5 raised to a equal to 100, 200, 300, etc. Basically n. Such kind of problem can be solved with help of logarithm. So in order to solve such problems, one should know the basic laws of logarithm. So study the basic laws of logarithm, you can easily solve such problem. Thanks for patience and thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. You can subscribe our channel for more such problem. We will daily come to the one new problem and try to give insight how to solve the problem.